In this video, we're going to go over how to find the surface area of prisms and pyramids. Remember, a prism is a 3D figure that has two bases separated by rectangular faces, and a pyramid has one base and triangular faces. So lateral surface area means the area of everything but the base or bases, and total surface area means the area of all the faces and the base or bases. So for example, we have this square pyramid. It's a square pyramid because the base is a square, and it's a pyramid because there's only one base and all the faces are triangular and meet at a point. The way we're going to think about this is we are going to draw the net and I'll label it with the dimensions. So the base is 6 by 6. The height of the triangular faces is 14 with a base of 6. And we know to find the area of a square, that's base times height. So the area is 6 times 6, which is 36. If I want to find the area of the triangles, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 6 times 14 is 42. Okay, so all those triangles are all 42. If I wanted to find the lateral surface area, so it would just be the area of 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that all happen to have an area of 42. So that's 168 millimeters squared. The total surface area would be all those triangles plus the square, so 168 plus 36, and that's 204 millimeters squared. Okay, let's do another example. It says find the surface area. If it doesn't specify between lateral and total surface area, we're always going to assume it means the total surface area. So I look at this and I see that it's a prism. It's a rectangular prism. I'm going to draw the net and label it with all the dimensions. In order to find the total surface area from a net, you're just going to find the area of all the individual rectangles here and add them up together. So this side rectangle, it is 2 by 4. Area of a rectangle is base times height, so that's going to be 8. This rectangle is 2.5 by 4. Base times height is 10. The next rectangle is 2 by 4, which is 8. 2.5 by 4 is 10. This rectangle that's labeled back is base times height, 2.5 by 2, which is 5. And the one that's labeled front is also 5. So now that I know all the individual areas, I'm going to add them all up. 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5. And I get 46 square units. Area, lateral area, surface area, they're all in square units. Square inches, square centimeters. Since this isn't labeled, we're just going to say square units. Okay, let's do another example. Ben made a model shown below of the square pyramid he plans to build when he grows up. Okay, well, so Ben isn't grown up. His picture does not use perspective drawing. So we know it's a square pyramid because it says so right here in the actual problem. So when I draw my net, I'm going to start off by drawing a square and as a pyramid, so all the little faces are going to be triangles. So my square is 12 by 12 and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces. It's always going to have however many sides there are on the base, that's how many triangles there are going to be. I know that it says 8 millimeters right here, so I'm going to label this 8. So again, if it doesn't tell you lateral or total, it's always going to be total. So I'm going to find the area of everything. So I know that this was 144 because 12 by 12 is 144. I know that a triangle is 1/2 base times height, so 1/2 12 by 8 is 48. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, so that's why I wrote this right here, 144 plus 48 plus 48 plus 48 plus 48. Type it in the calculator, and I get 336 square units, and this would actually be meters squared.